Duplicate your clip layer and select time greater than freeze frame. Start masking the subject carefully around the edges. Once masking is done, select the masked layer. Move the anchor point from the center to the bottom of your subject. Open the scale parameter and animate it. Now open the speed graph and adjust it for smooth motion. If you want a longer mask transition, drag the second keyframe further ahead. If you want it quick, keep it close. Go to your second clip and add a zoom in effect to match the transition. Now, on your mask layer, create a white flash effect. Duplicate the mask layer, add a fill effect, and change the color to white. Finally, add your camera shakes or turbulent displacement for impact. And your smooth masked transition is ready.